In front of me is Tecno Spark Go 2024, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down a tiny bit to access Notification Center. Then you need to scroll down, click on Sort By at the top, and click on one of those options to sort your apps, in my case by frequency of notifications. When you're ready, just click on blue sweater next to any app from which you want to block them, or switch them back on by hitting the same now gray sweater. You can also just tap on any app available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!